All right, so is there underlying crash going on in the stock market? There's a lot of stocks just pulling back and pulling back hard. And what does it mean? What should we take of this? Is it rotating? Are we going from sector to sector to sector? I don't know. But some of the stocks that are going down, I'm going to go through a whole bunch of them right here. Okay, I'm going to go through maybe 15 of them. And most of them are the stocks that seem to be, that had that run up after the C19 incident, right? So, and they're really pulling back hard. And I'm going to start it off with PayPal. I just did a video on it. If you want to know more about the technical analyst on this stock, go check out the last video. Real quick, I'll sum it up. There's the line, there's the support. That's where we're looking at to bounce. So PayPal, I still can't believe it. It's just getting decimated like that. Let's go to the next stock I want to look at is Roku. And you'll see a lot of the similarities, man. These stocks are just rolling over and rolling over hard. I mean, if you like any of these, hey, get in. But I don't know where the floor is. How about Zillow? Right? Zillow is a stock I tried to trade here and failed. You can see what happened. Didn't work out. I was like, man, this thing is going to hold. I mean, shoot, Zillow from the top to that point was down 56%. Right now, it's down a whopping 73% from its high. Unbelievable. Is the real estate market about to collapse? I don't know. I tell you what, though, I get open door alerts, and I finally seen an open door with a house, and it said reduced. And it was reduced by $50,000. Oh my God. I mean, everything was getting bid up and $50,000 over asking. Now reduced by $50,000. That was a little interesting. That was in the Charlotte area. Anyway, let's look at Visa. I have no answers for this. Are we gonna just stop buying stuff? Are we gonna just stop using our Visa cards? Oh, I don't know, but something is up with that. And then these are some of the stocks I did talk about on my last video. And there's a firm you think it's going, oh yeah, buy now, pay now. It's going to take out the Visa and MasterCards. Well, these guys ain't doing that well either. Well, they was, but the pullback is on. The pullback is on. Right? We talked about Robinhood. It IPO'd here, went up. Nice. Gosh, man. What about the people that bought up here? That $80. Yeah, I got in Robinhood $80. Well, right now you can get it at its all-time low, below $27. Looking at this chart, it does not look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Everyone that bought Robinhood right now is holding the bag. They are all underwater. How about this? Moderna just up, down. You know, there's someone out there that's charging like $40,000 for a course, and they really like this stock. And you know, there you go. You don't have to pay $40,000 to learn how to trade. You can come right here and just maybe follow some of my picks for free. You can do that for free. Anyway, that is Moderna. How about this? How about what is it? Virgin Galactic, right? Look at way down here at the low. It's funny because you can see the markings. I've been in and out, in and out. By the way, I got a long-term leap. It's just it's like a lotto pick I put on. I bought it for like cheap, $700. I don't even know. But clear all of that south. It's funny how they had that huge run up, and the guys went to space, and then now it's almost at its lows. That's buy the rumors and sell the news, right? They go into space now. They selling multi-million-dollar tickets, and the stock is at its all-time low. So Virgin Galactic, not working. How about a stock that's in everyone's portfolio, huh? Disney, right? Disney. Look at it, just breaking down. You see, I had an arrow right here saying, kind of predicting it, but where are we gonna go? Right here, I guess, to this support level, you know, somewhere down at that 140. I remember that was the kind of like a breakout level. So Disney, right? Just, I'm not a fan of Disney, never really been. I had been down here, but once it came out with that whole Disney Plus, I ain't like it since then because it was running up. It was getting like a Netflix valuation. Disney Plus sucks, okay? I bought it. I've seen all the damn movies already, and I don't want to see Cinderella and all that shit again. I just don't want to see it. I don't even think your kids want to see it again, but it's a lot of stuff you already seen. I canceled it. It's like, no, Disney Plus sucks. They got to do something about it. Maybe they did. Maybe they did change it. I don't know, but I don't like Disney Plus. Maybe everyone is finally realizing that because the subscriptions did die down dramatically in that last earnings report. And there's your reaction, right? Disney down. All right, so how about Zoom, right? Everyone was like, I never seen it here. I was like, I know everyone was jumping to Zoom, but so many people do it. Microsoft and all the companies have that little, you can chat stuff. But Zoom was the leader, and it's coming down. It's right there at support. Is it gonna bounce here? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think. If my guess, I don't think so. Yeah, because it is support, but I think we come down to these levels down here. That's me personally talking about Zoom. How about this is one of my favorites where I got tricked. How about Peloton, right? I really thought Peloton was like the Apple of fitness, and no, not the stock is not saying that. But notice that a lot of these charts, we're right here at approaching a critical level of support. So Peloton is coming there as well. $43. I mean, I think it's actually a great price unless these guys just wind up going out of business. Look at the volume, man. This is like capitulation type volume. Okay, people are getting out. They are not believers. They were believers, now they're not. Peloton 40. I mean, this was a 150 stock, just like Zoom was a $600 stock. Unbelievable. These things are coming down and coming down hard. How about DocuSign? Right, it's still hanging up there, right? Yeah, it's still up there, but you're starting a little trend. Will it hold here? My guess is by looking at all the other stocks, right? Let me clear this out. By looking at everything we just got done looking at, I don't think it's going to hold. I think it's going to break. It's just because everything else is breaking. But this one is relatively is doing well. One stock that's doing well now that was kind of the leader of all of this downturn was Las Vegas Sands, LVS. Look at that. I was like, what is going on here? So I got the circle thinking we're going to bounce. We did have a nice little bounce, but then we came right back. And then it's just hanging out here. Does it break? I don't think so, but it's just weird that it's not bouncing. Like, it's just hit that level of support and just kind of hanging out. I don't like stocks that do that. Anyway, how about this one, right? One of my faves, Activision Blizzard, roll over, and notice once again, actually, we are at that level of support. Actually, we might be breaking it a little bit, but it's not happening. It's not happening with Activision. It's just roll it. I don't know, man. Look at the volume. People are dumping these stocks, man. They are dumping them. Anyway, here's a stock I never talk about. Pinduoduo. Right there on the critical level of support. Kind of head and shoulders, right? It's a big old head and small shoulders. If this thing breaks, we can come down to here. Generally on a head and shoulders pattern. I don't really like this particular one because the shoulders are not big enough, but you fall the distance of the head to the neckline, right? So that would bring you somewhere actually right around here, right? So let's see if that holds. Right now it's down 4.5%. The price action today is telling you it's probably not going to hold. Probably not going to hold there. Let's look at one stock that's still kind of up but starting to fall. Is Match Group, and I guess it's right there, and I guess no one wants to hit it and quit it anymore. They tired of getting that action. I don't know. They don't want to be on the website looking for a significant other. By the way, Deborah and I, we met on a dating site, and we're 7 years strong right now. So anyway, but it's not happening here. Look at that. There's the tops, right? It's just kind of gyrating, almost doing nothing like Amazon was, and it should bounce here. Why? Because it bounced all these other times. But if it doesn't bounce, look out below. Look out below. Anyway, it's something. The underlying, right? There's a lot of stocks that you're getting fooled by, because if you look at the Qs, and most of those stocks I did look at were Nasdaq stocks. Q's all-time high. Right, and you just see the rollover. You just see the rollover on a lot of stocks that's just not doing it. And most of those stocks I looked at were Nasdaq 100 stocks. So, yeah, what do you think is going on? I just went over a few. Do you have any that I missed? Let me know in the comments so we can talk about it. Let me know on Twitter, Dre Trades, Instagram, Dre Trades, and I am out. Peace.